It seems like there are a dozen brand new programming languages popping up every day. It can be a lot to keep up with. But don't get so caught up in the now that you forget to look ahead. Keep watching for our take on some of the most promising new programming languages. Python. Alright, so Python isn't exactly what we'd call new. However, in the last couple of years, it has become one of the most widely accepted programming languages for developing scalable web applications. It has amazing library support and a solid developer community. And many startups are using Python to have their primary backend stack in order. So if you're thinking about going full stack developer, go for Python. Elm. Elm focuses on three elements: performance, usability, and durability. It has a solid set of language constructs. They contain let expression, anonymous functions, as well as if expressions and list interpolation. However, the problems start because of Elm's virtual system, which has no support for higher kinded types. Still, with the rise of all mobile everything, Elm has a big chance of breaking into the programming languages market. Go. The Go programming language, also known as Golang, was released in 2009 by Google. It was created to manage coding problems that organizations that come in Google size deal with on a daily basis. The language has inbuilt features and library support. When you take into account the debugging and code vetting tools, you realize that you need to start learning Go as soon as you can. R. With a command line interface and a graphical front end, R has provided a simplified approach. It allows programmers to get into its great suite of operators for calculating matrices. Moreover, it has solid object-oriented programming features. These features are known to be lacking in other statistical computing-based languages. R is so reliable that 538 used the language in its coverage in both the presidential and midterm elections. Groovy. Yes, that's what it's called. Groovy is an object-oriented language that had its stable release in 2007, and now it's becoming popular with Java developers. What's great about Groovy is its ability to increase programmers' productivity. Groovy has access to the Grails web application framework, so you get other cool features like NoSQL support and pluggability. As for the differences between Groovy and Java, you have both dynamic and static typing in Groovy, as well as native support for markup languages like XML and HTML. Rust. Rust actually won the most loved category of Stack Overflow's developer survey 3 years in a row. Rust is a system programming language developed by Mozilla that is very similar to C++ and has a straight-to-the-point syntax. It's aiming to be a safe, concurrent, and practical language for supporting imperative, procedural, and functional methods. There are a ton more up-and-coming programming languages you'll want to learn about, so make sure to keep checking back for more info. Visit our website to see how we can make hiring the best coders easier. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.